Hello guys, I'm going to upload a new Roblox video to my second channel. And you should go you should go check out my other channel. It only has 4 videos right now. Because, well, it's way too young. This channel is more older by like a little over a week. So, yeah, this is the hurricane. Some are taken away from the song in this channel. So, let's go. Oh, it's kinda tilty. It's kinda tilty. Oh, it's so windy. It's so windy. Whoa. Whoa, it's so windy. It's raining so much. My God, look how much rain is falling. Oh no. Wait! This is too much wind. Lucky number 7. I'm in a not lucky day. We're going to fall. Oh no! I need to get up into the sky before I get taken away by the wind. There's harder wind up there. Oh no! No, I don't want to go up anymore. I don't want to go up. Don't make me go up. I don't want to be forced to. Oh no, I should have. You didn't know there's stronger winds. Oh my God, this is a strong wind. Guys, I'm literally doing nothing right now. 7. 7 went through a portal, and now 7 is at the real world. You guys have to get into the portal before the winds take you away. Oh no! Oh my God! Oh my God! Oh my God! No, we're going to fall too fast. Not fall. What are you talking about? This is not falling. This is getting taken away by the wind. Oh my God, we're getting taken away by the wind. Hurry! Hurry and hurry. Hurry and hurry. Hurry and hurry and hurry. Go into the portal. Wait a minute. The wind's dragging us? Oh, we're going high into the sky. Everything's going into the sky, even the water. We're gonna go into the sky. We're gonna go into the sky. And that's the end of the story of the number box.